Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And this time of year I love to share holiday things, advent calendars, gift ideas, all that. And so I've been kind of on a advent calendar hunt. I really wasn't going to buy many this year, or maybe just one or two. I was on the hunt for really good ones. I did share a really good one from Revolve. That was an awesome calendar, probably my favorite one. It had so many awesome products in it. So anyway, if you want to watch that video, you can go back and find that video. But today I have from Sephora, this is the Sephora Advent Calendar. Now, I have a little story that goes with this. So Sephora had a 24-day advent calendar and I really wanted it, but it sold out like this. It was just gone. And so, I mean, I wanted it. So I think it was 150, I believe, but it had some really great products. Well, Sephora at Kohl's came out with this 12-day advent calendar. It's actually probably 12 of the best ones that I saw in the 24 days. So I actually am really excited about this because it was like the 24-day, but it only had 12, but they're all really good products. This can only be purchased at Kohl's. I'm not sure if they still have them, but if you have a Kohl's in your area or want to buy from Kohl's, you can pick this up for $75. It says it has a $198 value. So let's just get to it. I just want to say thank you to my subscribers and those of you who support my channel. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that do support my channel. I have a lot of fun things coming up, a lot of fun things for the holidays. I have a big giveaway coming up and you won't want to miss that. And so let's get to this little advent calendar now. Okay, friends, here we go. We're going to open this thing up. We've got just 12 days, so not bad. And I'm going to start with number 1, and we're just going to go from there. So in the first box, I have, yes, something I love. This is from Rare Beauty. Okay, this is from Rare Beauty, and it is just, it's a sample size, but it's their mascara. I love this mascara. I've used it. This is kind of a sample size, great for travel though. It's got, here's the brush. So anyway, great first item. Excited about that. Something I will use. 2 we've got from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is a universal daily pill. I'm kind of curious about this product. This is a patented 2-step pill with AHA, BHAs. I think I just got this in another box, but it says it helps smooth fine lines. It minimizes the look of pores, and it improves the appearance of uneven skin and texture. So anyway, I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 in here, so it's 6 treatments. So I'm kind of excited to try this. Anyway, I'm actually really excited to try it. So that's the second item, and it's not just a lot of times you get these and you'll get 1 treatment. This is 6, so that's good. So number 3 we have, I gotta see what we got in number 3. And this is a Sunday Riley product. This is, I think this is Good Genes. This is a serum. And let's see. I can't read what they say. Here we go. This is all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So there we go from Sunday Riley. That's our third item. Okay, in 4, we have from Tarte, one of my favorite brands of all time. This is the Maracuja. I can't remember how it's pronounced, but anyway, this is the Lip Plump. So Juicy Lip Plump. Here's the color. It looks like a decent color. Oops. Actually, it's must be kind of melted or something. That's a bummer. So I made a mess, but anyway, there it is right there. A little bummed about that, about the mess. Anyway, so that's it. That's number 4. We're going to go here to number 5 right here, and we're going to pull out. It's another exciting thing, one of my favorite things, and I just ran out of this one. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the Pillow Talk lip pencil. So I'm excited. That's a full-size product. I believe this is a full-size product. Anyway, we're getting, I mean, this alone, this is like, what, over like a $20, $30 product. So there we go. There's that. Number 6 up here. We're going to number 6, and we're pulling out from 6. We've got a Peter, is it a Peter Roth? Peter Thomas Roth. Okay, this is a water drenched hyaluronic cream from Peter Thomas Roth. So anyway, I know these products are really expensive, so I'm excited to try that. And we're going to number 7 here, and I've got 7. We'll see what we have here. And it looks like we've got maybe a lip product, or no, this is from Ole Henriksen. So it might be a serum of some kind. This is a fruit. It's a peptide. Oh, it's a lip treatment. Okay, so it is a lip. So anyway, there we go. I don't think I've ever tried a lip product from Ole Henriksen. It's just like a clear, I don't know if you can see it right here. I don't really want to put it on. I have lipstick on, but anyway, I like this. It's a full size, and I think I'm going to really like this. So I'm excited about that. Can always use a lip product. That's always great. So now let's go to number 8. And in 8 we have something tiny, but it looks like a perfume. This is clean. I've been wanting to try this. This is a roller ball. It's just called Clean. And I don't know, who's it from? Does anyone know? Anyway, let's try it. Oh, it does smell clean. It smells good. Okay, I'm liking that. Great to throw in the purse. Okay, it's just a clean, fresh scent. I've heard about this, but anyway, I really like that. So that was number 8. Number 9, we got to still open this one here. We got, okay, so 9, we have something from Amika, one of my favorite hair type products. This is the Soul Food. This is a moisturizing mask. So I love it. I love masks. Anyway, I love Amika, so I'm excited about that. Some of these items are things I would actually go out and buy, so I like that, you know, I'm getting them in this bag. So that was 9. Let's see what we got in 10. And for 10 we have, how fun, I haven't had this one yet. This is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the spray. This is the number 59. This is a purple one. This is the, I think it's vanilla lavender or something. So I'm excited to have that. Love this. Love these. That's another item that helps me get excited about this advent calendar. So anyway, so 10, 11, we have, let's see, we have something, I'm trying to remember what all stuff was in here, but this is from Glow Recipe, and this is the niacinamide dewdrops. So there's that from Glow Recipe. So love it. Love Glow Recipe. I use Glow Recipe products all the time. They're in my daily routine. So anyway, there's Glow Recipe. And that was 11. So let's see what we got in 12. The last day here. But I see something above 12. So it looks like we have a bonus item too. But let's get to 12. Okay, 12. This is from Milk Makeup. This is a bronzing stick. I'm really excited about this. I like the size. I love bronzing sticks. And I've heard good things about this one. I have never used this one yet, I don't believe. But I'm trying to see if I can get it open. I don't know if I can without causing trouble. But that's what it looks like. It looks like a great color. So there's that. That was my 12th. But up here we have a bonus item above 12. Let's see what the bonus item is. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be wah-wah? Let's see. It's not real big. I know that. And it's hard to open. I know that. Okay. This is this is a tube of some kind. And let's see what it is. Okay. This looks like it is a luminizing kind of a face powder. This is from Laura Mercier. I hear great things about this. So it's just a translucent or luminizing powder. I'm not sure if it's, yeah, it's closed. So I believe it's just a translucent powder. So there's that. So anyway, this was really fun. Oh, my goodness, you guys, there's another bonus. How did I miss that? Look. There's a whole nother bonus here, and it's a bigger one. Let's see what it is. Probably like a mask or something, right? Let's see. Oh, where? Okay, so this is just a tiny blending brush. It's a beauty blender. Just real tiny, a little pink. I like the pink, but anyway, so there's that. I actually do use these. You know what I like these for is to do under eye. I like to pat my under eye concealer on with this. So anyway, I'll probably use it. So the Mercier cream, the bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury lip balm, the other lip balm from Ole Hendrix, the clean perfume, the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, the Glow Recipe. We've got the Amika, the spray from Sol de Janeiro, the Tarte Lip Marajuca Lip Plump, and we've got the Peter Thomas Roth Bougie little serum there, and we've got the Rare Beauty mascara. And then these, I'm excited about these patches. There's 6 treatments in here, and they're University Daily Pills. So anyway, I'm going to definitely try these and see what they do to my skin. Probably some of my favorites. I love this one. I like the Amika. I like the Ole Hendrickson. Definitely the Charlotte Tilbury, the Rare Beauty, the Milk. The clean perfume. I keep going up with all these Glow Recipe. Anyway, it was fun. This was a fun little box. If you want to check out to go to Kohl's, and the Sephora and Kohl's has this. The regular Sephora stores don't have this. So they do have the 24-day, and if it gets back in stock, I would definitely run and grab that one. So I mean, it is twice as much. This actually had 14 items in it. It's 12 days of beauty, but they gave us a couple of bonus items. So anyway, I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. Did you guys like this box? Is it something you'd want to pick up? So let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.